Hello mga karamiyo, hello mga chillers, welcome back sa my YouTube channel. So today's episode, na may direct sa Palo, Leyte. We are here in Leyte Information Communication Technology ICOT Park here in Leyte Academic Center, Palo, Leyte for a very special purpose. We happened to come across to their page on Facebook, and my daughters are really thrilled with the idea of experiencing science concepts themselves. But if you love to visit here, kailangan mo magpa-book on their page sa Facebook so that you will be accommodated when you'll be coming here. Sa amin na case, nabigyan kami ng chance kasi malayo kami. But for here na malapit lang, and if you are planning to really visit the museum, you really have to book for your visit here in the Science Center.
Welcome to Eastern Visayas Science Center. I am JP, an intern from Leyte Normal University. This is the finger tingler. So inside, we have coil and magnet, and this is the lever. And once we turn this lever, magnet and the coil rubs, and it creates electricity. So this is the brass plate, and this is the voltmeter. So once I turn this lever, if you put your two index fingers here, you will feel a bit of electric shock.
Kanang imong ipon iyan.
Okay. Ready?
Blue!
Napakakalan.
How long did it take for plants to form? Traces. Oh, nice one. What's that?
Takes long lang eh.
Ah. Ay, na ang process sa kuan. What's
So cycle is created in the ocean when warm air rises, and with the additional cold air na existing sa place na tampuhi ang adahan and rising warm air, and it creates a cyclone forward. Kita ka pa man. Come closer.
closer? Come on, Dante, closer. Ano sa'yo makita?
Nakita niyo yung alamukan? Horse.
Ay, oh.
Ano sa Monday?
Dito,
Walk ang horse.
dito mo kita ha.
Dala ka.
Move ang?
Horse. Hindi nga na ang tail.
Oo. So, ano sa nga namin?
So it appears to be floating in air with a continuous flow of water. But the science behind this is, kung ikang plug natin, there is an acrylic tube. So since acrylic tube and water has the same indices of refraction, ang light nag-pass through lang sa kanila. And with the speed of water, natatago niya ang acrylic tube. That's why it creates an illusion na water lang ang
Lahambong. Mura siya o kung ano. Uy, what happened? Anyari sa'yo?
So we have here
Anyari sa'yo, girl? Lingin pa, ana. Ilibot pa, ana. Libot sa, ana. Earthquake shape. Feel the shape. Different magnitudes.
slope, nakakansel niya ang movement and point katuhasan. Ganito ito.
Okay.
Nga nakaday.
Sweat. Pip, pip. Papabdul.
Uy, hot wing.
Dahil, usap-usap ba?
So, all you have to do is make a sound, shout or clap, and observe what will happen.
Maling.
Volunteer. Try to- Come closer po. So, under we have 3 huge magnets on the disc, and this one is called magnetites or tiny pieces of iron ore. So you can find this sa sand. Diba kung nagbutang na itong magnet, ang madukot, amin. It's like dancing worms.
Wow.
It's called magnetites.
Magnetite.
Next one, magnetite.
Naikanta ha?
Sorry ko, naangkat paglawan. Skill lang po kasi sa... Tara, 3, 2, 1.
Baka daog sa imong buhok.
Shake your head, ma'am.
Okay.
Anyari sa iyo, Tir.
Sige. Wow.
If you love to learn more concepts, feel free to visit the Science Centrum for a more meaningful first-hand experience. Absolutely, it's a fun experience for you and your children as much as we are enjoying here with my daughters. And yung time nyo po ay sulit po talaga. I can really assure you that this place is a must visit for your chikitings and even young people alike. Sulit po yung time nyo kasi it's free. Yes, it's absolutely free. No entrance fee po. Purely fun, and you will be having with you going home knowledge and new concepts. And kita-kita po tayo ulit dito sa Science Centrum. Bye-bye! Thank you, to God by His glory. See you next time.